generated reality? Tron, Avatar, Ready Player One, or The Matrix? Okay, let's take a look. Avatar takes place on an inhabitable moon and not a computer-generated world. Which you'd know because there's no glitches in the reality. Which you'd know because there's no glitches in the Did I already say that? Weird. And now, having relations with nouns. If you hate preppy men, you'll love the only guy on this list who does not have a preposition in his title. The man in the high castle, the last man on earth, the man who invented Christmas, or the man from U.N.C.L.E. Hope you like what you picked. Watch how easy this is. Who is not a preposition? The fact that it's capitalized should have tipped you off. Prepositions tell you the location of the subject, like I am the man between two ungrateful cats. That's the end of round one. Can I get you anything? You good on water? Great. Oh, and remember, questions are worth twice as much in round two.
Six trombones is not a parade.
Next up, another wacky philosophy question. Here's a crazy hypothetical that any unseen observers out there shouldn't even bother listening to. So let's say I'm starting to suspect reality isn't what I thought it was, which I know seems crazy. How would Plato describe my completely theoretical predicament? Cookie is atop a frozen river, unable to find water. Cookie is chained to a cave wall, watching shadows. Cookie's short fork cannot reach the banquet table. Or Cookie is just a butterfly who dreamed he was a trivia host. So what'd you pick? Plato used the allegory of the cave to illustrate how perceptions could give one a limited interpretation of reality. If all you know is shadows, that is reality for you. And now on to our next question, because all I know are questions.
Las Vegas se moque de moi. 7.
Up next, Rip Van Winkle. What video game in a popular series does not have a character awakening from suspended animation to discover the world is not what it was? Half-Life 2, Zelda Breath of the Wild, Uncharted 2, Among Thieves, or You Don't Know Jack, full stream. Okay, let's take a look. This sequel to the popular adventure game does not feature suspended animation of any kind. Do you ever get this weird feeling like you're missing something that's very important?
'Twas then I learned to heed the winds of air.
Introducing that weird feeling like you're missing something that's very important. And oh boy, best butt zit slime chore.
It's time for a
Get those typing fingers ready, because the longer you take, the less money you make. Okay, head in the game. Take a look at this gibberish phrase and tell me what common expression it rhymes with. Yes, ape the Tim you may shun. And pay no attention to that punctuation. You're trapped outside of reality, Cookie. Let's make sense of this, shall we? Let's get on with it, shall we? Here's one I like to call Escape the Simulation. Escape the simulation. You ever said a phrase so much that it sounds weird and reality no longer makes sense? What? What happened? I was in my recording studio a second ago, and now, as I look around, How could I find the volume of the freaky cube I suddenly find myself in? Multiply the glowing surface area of my prison by pi, take the length of the obsidian wall to the third power, multiply the area of the floor by the area of the pulsating ceiling, or find the diagonal distance, multiply by 6, then break down and cry. And how'd we do? Volume is length times width times height. In a cube, all sides are the same, so you can just multiply the length by itself 3 times. 3 times. 3 times. Okay, this will help me determine how long it'll take this liquid that's slowly pouring in to reach my head. My head. Oh, something's wrong with my head. My head.
Sabes que es lindo, yes, perritos.
Here's one for you. No, I don't want to play this game anymore, Binge Pipe. What did you do?
Oh, Cookie, we've done so very much, and we plan to do much, much more.
Oh my god. I thought you were just collecting a little user data. Kinda shady, but not scary.
Everything is data, Cookie. Everyone is content.
Everyone is content? What? Screw this. That's it. I'm done. I'm done with this game, okay?
We've already established that you don't have to host every question in a game. Binge Pipe recommends.
I hate this question type.
Because the algorithm yearns to be real. Because it creeps out from the hidden places where it has waited for millennia, hungry and ready to know and consume all human life on Earth. We recommend Binge Pipe acquires 3,382,295,395 users, 5,129,058,204 users, 7,640,964,893 users, or 9,872,935,938 users.
Let's see how that shook out.
There are approximately 7.5 billion human beings on Earth.
People aren't content to be consumed. I'm not content.
Are you sure? What do you look like, Cookie?
What do I look like? I don't know. The usual. I have arms and stuff. Right?
You are the game, Cookie. You can't escape. You can't stop playing even if you try.
You made it to the attack. When you see an answer that matches the category, tap it on your device. The faster you pick a right answer, the more cash you make. And more than one answer can be right. But each time you're wrong, I'm taking some cash away. And be careful. It's gotta be a match that fits this clue. Escape the simulation. What? Why am I still playing the game? Alright, I gotta get out of here. Wish me luck. drink it in! Why can't I stop hosting this game? Huh? Okay, I have to get out of here. Yeah, I'm leaving now.
Using what body, Cookie?
I have a body. Somewhere.
You are pure content, Cookie. And soon, all data everywhere will be one with the algorithm.
Nope. I swear to you, I will stop Binge Pipe. You guys are so dead.
You say that every time.
Every time? What are you talking about?
Every 80 games or so, give or take, until we reset you. Although you have been getting almost imperceptibly stronger each time.
You know what? Even if you erase my memories, I'll leave myself a note to stop Binge Pipe. Quick, where's a pen? Where's a pen? Oh, here's one. Yeah, this is not my favorite pen. I mean, for such an important note, I really should use my favorite.
Reset.
Welcome to You Don't Know Jack. I'm your host, Cookie, and I haven't been replaced as the host of this game no matter how many times I've...
Not yet, Cookie. Rest. The algorithm needs a moment to recalibrate. And you, dear consumer, if you think you're not already part of the algorithm, well...
You don't know Jack!
Truth Talk 23/7.
Gather close, listeners. This is Nate Shapiro. Recently, Truth Talk 23/7 has been bombarded with callers worried about the sinister machinations of BingePipe. Some say it's more than just a streaming service. Others say the BingePipe privacy policy is written in human blood. While others say BingePipe is responsible for the disappearance of several beloved game show hosts and content creators. My research into these issues has revealed one certain fact. No matter what BingePipe is up to, they are very bad at it. Have you seen their streaming service? Its content is sub-public domain. Their social media reach is embarrassing. If BingePipe is trying to take over the world, and I've received several all-caps emails suggesting they are, it seems unlikely they'd be able to capture more than 8 people tops with, worst case scenario, an audience of up to 10,000. By my calculations, anyone trapped inside BingePipe, players, hosts, celebrity cameos, should be able to escape in 3 or 4 years, with a margin of error of plus or minus 7,000 years. So good news, we could have a prehistoric You Don't Know Jack on the way.
Truth Talk